Well done to all of you who took part in Serial Mash Summer. For your chance to win a year's free license for Serial Mash, simply find the number of total minutes read and the number of children who took part. To find this information, head to the data icon. Enter a date range from when you started up to today's date. The final close is on the 8th of September. Select from the drop-down menu, View by Total. Find all the classes and children that took part. In this demonstration, class 3CP entered the competition. So I'm going to select them. I need to submit the total minutes, which is 558, and the number of children, which in this example is 5. Lastly, I just need to submit this by replying to the email I was sent when joining up or emailing community@twosimple.com. Good luck.